Every introduction is important, you see, and it's hard to introduce well, kind of hard to believe. Cause if you don't do it right at first, then it may mislead into making someone think the opposite of what you seem. They're deceived. So I put my all into the intros. It's the first time I'm hearing this flow, and if you're new to me, here's some info. The name's Reverend and I spit those good songs. 2 albums and counting, average 15 tracks I'm mounting. Ride out to them, nothing less than astounding. I'ma calm down, I'll let you hear my sounding. You can be the judge and rule out, deduce or conclude the cool route, or figure out which of the paths that I took that you liked and the morals that you pulled out. I usually don't curse much, at least not in dialogue or whatever. It's been times I've been looking for that girl named Love, but I see her sister never. Much more often until recently she introduced me to you, who is pleasing me. Opposites attract, now let me get back to the purpose of this rap, which is meeting me. Well, I mean you, the listener, the critic, the viewer, the truth, the determining factor of whether I should stay or pack a pad with a pen and come back another day. Let me find another thing I could say. I remember when I did my mixtapes on tapes, real talk. I'll explain what is meant when I wear the shoes of the cool nerd, real walk. Have you heard me curse yet? I told you I was good, unless I'm pushed to my limit or worse. I wanna add a little spice to my verse, but the nerd I be never pulled a lot of underscore bleep. I played my games and I watched TV. I read my books, made A's and B's. It seems to be a bit boring, but the concepts that I make are not folkloring. They exist in another man's world, a youth trying to find his way in a man's world. I don't think I will, cause I'm different from the rest, but that must be the reason that I strive to be the best. I must be the best, so I must forget about the rest.